time? Okay, we'll just stop it. Okay, that's the last time, okay?
Daddy,
Almost
I'm
there.
not done yet.
I know, we're almost there.
Merry went everywhere, and Merry went when the store to go.
We just landed and Lucy is asleep. You guys, so triplets are all asleep. It's the eve.
You can just see her through your arms.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's a witch.
She's riding her
broken broom. I want to be a good witch. Can you sing it?
So if you guys can see their pile of clothes, we've been doing laundry.
We have a laundry
folding
going over
a
there.
lot of the triplets' laundry for the trip. We're going on a trip with triplets, and it's gonna be a trip. I'm busting these out. We just got these on Amazon. Never thought this day would come. This is not a garbage sack. Literally, I could fit all my kids in here. It's so big.
Maybe we should just pack them all in there and check them.
This is for one car seat.
One car seat,
Two
car
more of them.
seats, 3 car seats, and the big girl car seat.
Gemma's car seat is humongous. So this was a roller one. Look at this dad just rolling it with one baby. Do they know that we're gonna have 2 strollers that we have to check at the gate? I'm gonna be pulling this, somehow carrying 1, 2, 3 other big ones, and pulling luggage. Like, oh, Pia's coming too. And we're gonna have Pia. It's going to be so insane.
Daddy,
I don't even know how we're gonna do this. What?
I want to get in there.
Of course you do.
Hey, Daddy, be super careful. Gemma, you have big hair today.
Yeah.
So the obvious thing is, why are you guys holding all these car seats? So we went to Disney World one time with my sister, Amber. So Milo, my niece, rented a car seat for her. Literally while we were at Disneyland, a black widow was crawling up the back of it. Kid you not.
There's a black widow in her car seat. Plus, they always just smell like, there's no way they take off the covers and wash them between each use.
Yeah, so we just said, don't like that, let's just take them. Then we have to check 4 flipping car seats and then push the strollers to the terminal, to the gate. And then we have to fold the strollers up and they're gonna put those on. We're gonna have so much luggage. Wish us luck. And if you guys wanna see the cutest thing, it's Pia wet. Hi, Pia, look at us. It's so funny. She looks like she weighs like half a pound when she's wet. You just got a bath, you're ready to go. Okay, you ready? Okay, if you guys are wondering what a 2-pound Yorkie looks like, it looks like Baby Yoda. Hi, Yoda. Mwah. Let's go get dried off. Come on, let's go. All clean, ready to go. Ready to go to Oregon. Oh yeah. Pia. Yeah, you're happy, huh? It's upon us. It's early. It's 7 a.m. We're getting everyone up. We can't believe how much stuff we have. Hi, look, it's Reese. We're getting ready to take on the airport. Gemma, where are you going today?
To Oregon.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Show me how excited you are. You ready?
No yet.
Okay. Hi, sweet girl. Good morning. Hi, sweet boy. Good morning. Yeah, that's a smile. Okay, you ready?
Hi, Lucy. Hi. No. Not for you.
Oh, look at this bar, Ren. There you go, pumpkin. All right, hurry, eat up. We gotta go, So we're giving ourselves an extra hour than we normally do. We are bound to get this right.
Check. Bows. Check. Tights. Check. G's blanket. Check.
Check.
I made a list last night and I
Check it twice. Gonna find out
Got it
if you're
done.
naughty or nice.
We need these put somewhere though.
Yeah, we forgot about the sound machines. Gotta have the sound machines. This is why it's so much easier just to road trip, I feel like. I have no room in my suitcase, so.
I know, road tripping.
All right, this is my carry-on. Hi guys, this is my carry-on. Do you mind if I bring these on the plane?
We are on our way to the airport with a dog, a doggy, a Gemma. Where are we going? What? To the airport. All the babies, there's a row foot.
Gemma, how come you're so serious?
He's getting tired. So we're on our way to the airport and we gave ourselves an extra hour than we normally do, and we wanted to be getting there like right now, but the traffic has been so bad. It just started picking up again and it's almost 9. Our flight leaves at 11, but we wanted to be like extra early.
We have no idea like how we're gonna go through the airport. I'm trying to think it through my head. I have a backpack. I'm supposed to carry a car seat through the airport. But then I have my backpack with all my like camera stuff in it. And then we have to push the wagon, all the babies.
The wagon, 2 diaper bags, my purse. Gemma has a backpack.
Getting from our car to the check-in table, we're gonna have 4 huge car seats.
Unless we can just check all of them on the curbside.
You guys right here. We're here. Hi, Reese. Hi, Ro. Hi, Pia. Hi, Kara. We're at the airport and we don't know where to start. We don't know where to start, so let's just start. Okay, we got the luggage, the babies, and we still have 4 car seats to get, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. 1 car seat is all packed to go. That's your car seat. That's the biggest one. It's right there. We have 3 more. Last car seat. Let's look at this. This is all going on a plane.
That's amazing.
The 4th bag is in, ready to go. How are we flying with all this? This is all going on a plane. All this is going on a plane. Wow. Kara's checking in. Okay, you guys ready? We're curbside and they're taking all the stuff. There's car seat 1. I got Pia. Ready to go? I have to go park the car now. Our car's just chilling. Row, it's so bright. I know, let's go in. We're coming. Hold tight, Kara. Wow, you guys ready? We're in line to get Pia on board. They took me through first with the Pia, so we got right to the front of the line, and they let Kara skip to the front of the line, but now she's back there and I can't go back through security. She has all 4 babies. She has like 3 bags, 2 backpacks. I can't go help her, so sorry, Kara. I sent TSA to help you. Go, Ro, go. All right, you gotta jump. Jump. Oh. Good job, Ro. The terminal. I gotta run. Gemma. All right, uh-oh. Now what do we do? Oh, geez. We gotta leave our wagon here somehow. Ready? Reese, look. Hi. There's so many helpers. Okay, Rail's in. Gemma's getting in. Kara's getting in. Ren's getting in. You guys, you made it on the plane. Ready to go. Ren's got her bottle. Here, you made it.
We made it.
Reese made it. We're on the flight. Dude, she's sucking so hard that the bottle is like, Gemma, what are you doing?
I just want my mom to open this.
What is it? Oh, is that baby food?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat
No, it's my pouch.
Oh, it's a big girl food?
There you go.
Oh, all right, there you go,
I'm
sweetheart.
right here.
How's Royal doing? Royal, hi. Gemma's watching Royal, and we got these girls up here. I'll say this much. Going through the airport was crazy, stressful, but worth it because we love these babies. And Ren has a bruise.
Ren has bruises. She has one on the side of her head right here, under her hair.
You're always bruised up, girl. Oh, that girl's playing. That's a nice stranger. She opted to help with the baby. We already have help. Here, Reese. Here. There you go.
Flight is not gonna start at 11:30.
No. Got delayed. Reese, we can't wait any longer. It's too long already. Are you excited to go see Grandma? You taking care of Royal? Get your seatbelt on? Good girl. Ren, you can't cry, okay? No crying. Just smiles. Reese, you already laying down. They switched me back here because you have to have, there's only 3 air masks per seat, so we can't have 4 people in a row. So now it's 3 back here, and 3 up here. Come on, let's get the show on the road. Are you talking on the phone? Hi. Hi. Babies. Kara, what you doing?
We're out of water.
Getting water. Gemma's hanging out. Oh, Ren. Oh. Say hi to Roro. Hi. Oh. Okay, Kara. Causing a ruckus back here. Gemma, what is she doing? Oh man. What is happening back here, guys? CHATFAM is crazy on the plane. Granny's getting held by a foot stranger. And there's mom. Hi, Gemma.
Hi, Daddy.
Love you. What are you gonna do in Oregon? Are you gonna play Bonnie?
No.
What are you gonna do?
Read the way.
She just punched me in the eye.
Please. It is so past their nap time. They won't go to sleep. Randy, are you reading a book? With your new friends. All right, stay back there. Bye, Randy. Gemma, where's Pia? We're in a really small bathroom, huh? All right, wash your hands. Drop my phone. Good job, sweetheart.
Okay, one more time.
One more time? Okay, we'll just stop it. Alright, Gemma. That's the last time, okay?
Daddy,
Almost
I'm
there.
not done yet.
I know, we're almost there.
Merry went everywhere, and Mary went where no store to go.
Oh, thank you. She recorded herself. Gemma, you recorded yourself. Good job. Did you know that?
Yeah, I do.
Wow, you're so smart.
Yeah.
We just landed and Reese is asleep. First person to sleep on the flight. She fell asleep right when we got home, or right when we landed. None of them slept. They all skipped their nap time.
Let's go.
She's so tired, huh?
No,
Poor
I
Reese.
just want to walk with dog.
Yeah, Reese's asleep. I know, you can sleep for 5 minutes while people get off the flight. We made it to Oregon, we're here. We made it. Let's go see Bonnie. Guys, we get elevators at the airport. First time I've been in an elevator at the airport. Hi.
Hi.
You look dazzling.
Yes, I do.
Really, you look good.
With my greasy spray tan.
I see Bonnie. Bonnie, here's some triplets for you. Hi, how are you? So welcome. We're here. Bonnie's here. Hi, Bonnie. Grandma's helping. All the babies made it. All of our luggage and 1 car seat, 2 car seat.
I can't believe you have all that luggage.
3 car seat, 4 car seat. We rented, you ready for the drum roll? A Lamborghini. Just kidding, we got the Dodge Caravan. Minivan to minivan. You guys are gonna experience another minivan. You are so good. You didn't make a noise down there.
Yes,
No
I
one even
have.
knew we had a dog down there. From mini to mini. Mom, you got 2 car seats in. You got 2
Tell
car
Daddy
seats
what you
in.
see.
Look at Gemma, it's like our own car.
Yeah, but
This is starting to look like our minivan, but it's not. Babies are all in their positions. Pia is in her position. We did it, we did it. Reese, we are here where Kara grew up. The Bonnie house in Oregon. The cutest house in the world. Let's go.